Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to hide sounds from message notifications on Facebook on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to customize your notification settings. If you're tired of those constant pings every time you receive a message, follow these simple steps to enjoy a quieter browsing experience. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Now, in this drop-down, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can fine-tune your notification preferences. On this page, scroll down until you see the Browser section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Play a sound when a message is received. You'll want to disable this by clicking on the toggle switch next to it. When the switch turns from blue to gray, you'll know it's been successfully turned off. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the sounds for message notifications on Facebook. Now you can browse, work, or relax without being interrupted by those pesky notification sounds. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page if you want to turn the sounds back on or make any other changes to your notification preferences. This update is perfect for those who want to stay connected but need some peace and quiet, especially when you're in a meeting, at the library, or just trying to focus. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, quieter Facebook experience. 127